your boy YP, we back with another video. Look, today, we riding a bike, you feel me? Y'all be telling me I got a bike and I don't ride it, so we finna ride that bitch today.
You gotta ride it?
No, did it. No, did it. Appreciate you, Kevin.
I didn't mean that. I'm just saying, that's what he said. You about to ride it, right?
Yeah, I'm about to ride it. But look, I'm trying to learn how to walk it too. We got my dog, Nate Dog from Hammond. You feel me? She know how to walk it. She be going viral on Instagram walking the bikes and shit. So she gonna be trying
to teach you how to walk it.
Yeah, she gonna give me a couple tips. I'm kind of scared though. You feel me? I ain't gonna really do the most. You know, I'm gonna do a little 1, 2. Try to. Yeah, we got the bikes out. She got that Raptor too. 700. Got some.
Well, yeah, what you got? Is anything done to it?
Stop.
Oh, you shitting on him? No, don't worry about it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
I mean, I got headers.
All right. Yeah.
She got B-locks though. You don't know about them B-locks. I should
You
probably
can stop
be in your
saying
truck
that. It's
though.
fine. Who truck? My
I
truck.
burn that Fiat with the bike.
You can't burn shit.
Are you crazy? I know, man. We can race them too.
Fiat versus the four-wheeler?
Yeah.
I'm hitting you off the bike.
But look, yeah, you finna go down the street and learn how to walk this bike. All right, y'all. I'm a visual learner, so you gonna do it first, right?
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and do it. All right, man.
Yeah, I started second, y'all.
I've never seen you do that, Jack.
I can't.
Holy
I don't
shit.
know how. Oh my God. I'm scared.
All right.
So second gear and
I've
then.
seen my blueprint. Okay, so second gear. Once you shift, get to second, you're gonna pop the clutch. When you pop the clutch, just hit the gas.
Just hit the gas.
Yeah.
So my best friend is my brake though. The brake, right?
Yeah. Back brake. Always use back brake.
Woo! I guess I'll try.
Let's go.
Scared,
Sounds like bitch, bro. Hey! You got up! You got up!
First time trying it, second gear, that can really pick up.
Second gear for sure. I start off with second all the time. All the time.
I'm gonna say walk my bike.
The YFZ is kind of different.
I told him, that bitch got buku power down low. You probably can walk that bit. I'm telling you.
Right.
Oh, I know you. You want to try?
For real?
Yeah.
Why is he scared? The bitch.
I knew that was cool.
The cop?
That's tough, yeah.
Right. I'm gonna keep.
I think we good. I don't know. I'm scared.
What the fuck?
He had
Right.
the silver ruin the fun. But yeah, man, we finna go to the gas station, y'all. And then we gotta meet up with all the rest of the bikers. We got a couple of bikers right now that already put up to the shop. We finna head out though, y'all. We got, man, you see what we got going on. 450s, Raptors, everything, all types of things. We're finna. It's cold as fuck.
I love this for you.
I hate this for me. Y'all in the car, y'all warmed up.
It warm as a motherfucker.
brick. Let's go. Hey, you. All right, y'all. Man, yesterday was so cold, bro. I think I messed them up a little bit. But yesterday was so cold, bro, when we was riding. But look, it's still cold. We outside. We got Rich. We got Zell. We got Khalil. We got Jada somewhere. We finna go ride the bikes, man. We in the country with it. You see me. I don't know how to do the dance, but I know I'm doing it. But yeah, man, we back. Same video, different day. Yeah, but it took a lot of effort crossing them up. We finna go ride the bikes. It's finna be fun. Somebody gonna fall, I feel like. I'm calling it now. It ain't gonna be me. Good guess. I was thinking about Zell too. But yeah, we finna have the big bikes, man. We finna have the ATVs. We got the 4-wheel outside today, again.
Maybe that's what I paid attention to. Oh my God! All right. Wow. It just seemed way more violent than what it actually was.
And that's how you do that.
But you was pushing it too hard?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
that's whenever I was doing this, I kept with the throttle. Yeah, that bit overheated. But now we good.
All right, back to it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. No, you good. I just hit the shit, and I knew what was going on. I was like, I'm gonna just go with it.
I was like, run.
Oh my God, how did y'all think this is hysterical?
Because it's great, bro.
I'm gonna eat about all these shit you see me throw up.
I want your bro.
So we gonna have a draft day or something?
Got to. Look, Jada.
We're gonna post about ESPN. Damn, I can't see shit. What? To the left. Okay. Hold on. Wait, hold on.
Oh, look at him.
Nigga, are we stuck?
Damn, Jada! Damn, Jada!
Push it all the way down. Push the gear down, all the way down.
It is down.
Oh shit.
Something useful, nigga.
We lost the camera and we were trying to find it. How are we gonna find it? Where's flashlight?
Small black camera at that.
It's not small. It's like a square like that.
If y'all see the GoPro footage, that means we found the GoPro. And if y'all don't, we didn't find it.
At all.
Yeah. All right, y'all, it's the next day. And now we still trying to find a camera. Yeah, it's in the morning. We finna go. We finna take the Tonka truck. We finna take that bit. We finna go look for it.
Way further down, right?
Yeah, it's way further down. I tell him I'm just looking. This what Jada got stuck at right there.
That is not
controlling me,
That
bro?
is not where she got stuck at, man. Stop playing, bro. No fucking way.
Crazy. I told you we was gonna find it. I had hope. I was like, bro, cause ain't no way, bro. I'm like, that means whenever I hit this hump right here, cause I remember going through this bit.
Aren't you happy about the camera footage?
Yeah, I am. I got footage from Saturday. I recorded a whole day on here.
Well, no, your vlog is about to be full, huh?
Thanks.